So you're planning a trip to Milan, or maybe somewhere else in Italy, and you already know what's coming. That moment of stress, trying to figure out how to get from the airport to your hotel. Well, today we're going to solve that puzzle. I'm going to show you a brilliantly simple way to get a taxi without any of the usual travel headaches. We've all been there, right? That moment you walk out of the arrivals gate, you're tired from your flight, and bam, the next big challenge is just beginning, finding your ride. Okay, so picture this. You've just landed in Milan. You've got your bags. What's the plan? Are you going to try and figure out the public transport system or head for what could be a massive queue for a taxi? And these are the things that drive us crazy, right? You're staring at a huge, winding taxi line. Or maybe you try a ride-sharing app, but that means you got to download another new app, create yet another account, and find your credit card. Or worse, you're just stuck on hold trying to call a local service. It's a pain.
But what if there was a way to just skip all of that? What if the solution was already on your phone, built right into the web browser you use every day? Let's take a look at a much, much simpler way.
And here it is. The solution is this simple website, 0253535.it. That's it. No fancy app name to remember, just a straightforward web address.
So what is it exactly? Well, it's a web platform that lets you call or book a taxi anywhere in Italy. And the key here, and this is what makes it so smart, is that it works directly from your browser. No app store, no downloads, nothing.
And this is the magic right here. I mean, this is what it's all about. No app to download, no boring registration. It's designed to get you from point A to point B with the least amount of friction possible. It's just easy.
Now, what's really cool about this service is that it's not a one-size-fits-all kind of deal. It gets that sometimes you need a taxi right now, and other times you're planning ahead.
It basically gives you two great options. On one hand, you've got NCC Malpensa. Think of this as your pre-booked private car service. It's perfect for those planned airport transfers. And then you have Taxi Milano, which is your classic on-demand taxi for when you need a ride, immediately.
And if we dive into that pre-booked service, you can see it covers all the major travel hubs. So whether you're flying into Malpensa, Linate, or Orio al Serio, or maybe arriving by train at Milan Central Station, you're totally covered. It's a fantastic option if you're a planner and just want your rides sorted out in advance. And for those I need a taxi right now moments, that Taxi Milano option is perfect. It uses a satellite search to find the absolute closest available car to you. This is so smart because it's designed to slash both your cost and your waiting time. It's the perfect tool for those spontaneous trips within the city. Okay, so you're probably thinking, this sounds great, but how complicated is it to actually use? And the answer is, it's incredibly simple. Let me just show you. Seriously, it's just 3 simple steps. You just go to the site on your browser. Then, and this is my favorite part, you get a free quote right up front, so there are absolutely no surprises with the cost. And finally, if the price looks good, you book your ride. That's it. It's that easy. So let's circle back and really hammer home why this whole no-app approach is such a game changer, especially for travelers. So why does this actually matter for your trip? Well, first off, you save space on your phone. You get to skip creating yet another account with yet another password. You completely avoid being put on hold. You see a clear price before you even book. And maybe the best part of all, this isn't just for Milan, it works all across Italy. So what's the big takeaway here? Just think of this as your new travel hack for Italy. Instead of hunting for apps, just use what you already have, your phone's browser. So before your next trip, do yourself a favor and just add 025353.it to your bookmarks. It might just be the simplest and best travel decision you make.